Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. This is my portfolio video which highlights some of my best projects during my studies at La Salle College. Red Dead Infinity is a 2D vertically scrolling shooter game made with a custom engine in C++. In this game, I implemented background scrolling which adjusted based on the speed of spaceship, sprite animation for enemy explosions, and the spaceship speed up thrusters. Bullet Manager to handle all the bullets for enemy and the player. I also implemented a collision detection box as well. Battle King is a 2D local multiplayer fighting game made with a custom engine in C++. In this game, I implemented a state machine to handle the sprite animation for player actions. I have also implemented the collision detection, which checks if a character has been hit based on the current animation state it is in. This is a block state, which can block the incoming damage. The fight statistics are recorded and shown to the players at the end of the match. Extreme Hot is a 3D FPS game made with Unity, and this is my first team project between myself and another programmer. We decided to make a game inspired by the bullet time FPS game Super Hot in 5 weeks. In this game, we wrote a tactical design document and scheduled weekly milestone tasks. I was responsible for player control, character animation for player and enemies, sound effects for combat and movement, particle system for blood spelt. We also made the bullet time effect by applying time scaling and a post-processing filter. Mushroom Collector is a 2D AI pet spending simulation game made with a customer engine in C++. In this game, I implement search algorithm include BFS, DFS, Dijkstra, and A*. I also use autonomous agents to compare the results. In the demo, I have a graph data structure to represent the connected location on a map. The demo will show the closed list of each search, which contains the visited nodes to compare the efficiency of each algorithm. I also use the GUI to implement the UI option for debugging and testing. Mystic Fighter is a 3D multiplayer fighter game made with Unity. In this game, I implemented network synchronization using PhotonPoint 2. During the game, player can create or join a room through the networking. After both players join to room, the master client can start the game and enter character selection menu to choose the character you want to play. In the game, I made a camera control to set up the camera in the center of two players. I also implemented a state machine to handle the character animation and used the photon view animation to synchronize the data. This is the projectile controller, which can spawn the energy ball. To make the game more polished, I added the hit effects when the player receives the damage. I also use RPCs, remote procedural calls, to send a specific value to clients such as health, take damage, and spawn game objects. Dungeon Delver is a 3D turn-based roguelike RPG game developed in Unity, and this is a team project I made with 2 designers, 3 programmers, 1 3D modeler, and 1 audio engineer, over 12 months production period. In this project, I developed a few gameplay systems. In the top left corner is class stat system. I made it to store and show active character stats. I also made the inventory system, income system, for players store items from the loot box or the shop. Besides the inventory, it's an armor system for the player to configure loadout. I made a training mode level. The player can follow the guide to learn the basic game flow and the content. Here is a shop system I made. Each time the player enters the shop, emerald will appear randomly and the player can spend their currency in here.